In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Family. By the end, you'll know how to set up a family group, invite people, manage roles, and start sharing eligible games in a way that keeps everyone's saves and achievements separate. Start by opening the Steam client. In the top right, click your profile name and choose Account Details. This is where your account and sharing settings live. In the left-hand menu, head to the Family Management tab. Click Create a Family and enter a name for your group. Pick something everyone will recognize. This label helps keep things organized. As the creator, you're automatically set as an adult, which grants admin privileges. That means you can invite or remove members and adjust their roles whenever needed. From Family Management, click Invite Member. You can invite directly from your friends list for a quick setup, or generate a friend code if you prefer sharing an invite link. Once people are in, assign roles. Choose Adult for full access and management rights, or Child for parental controls if you want a more guided experience. Assigning the right role up front helps keep your group secure and your library managed the way you want. When someone is invited, they'll receive a notification. They need to open Account Details, go to Family Management, select Join a Family, and accept the invitation. If Steam asks for an email confirmation, have them quickly verify that step is just to confirm the account action. After everyone's in, look at the left sidebar of your library. You'll see a new Family Library section. This is the shared space that aggregates shareable games from all members. It's a convenient way to browse what's available without digging through each person's collection. Keep in mind that shareability depends on the game and publisher. What you see there is what can be shared. Now for how playing works. Members can play different games at the same time, which is perfect for households gaming together. One person can dive into Game A while another enjoys Game B. Each player keeps separate saves and achievements, so progress stays personal. Most titles support offline play as well, which is great for travel or spotty connections. The important limitation is that only one person can play a specific copy of a game at any given moment. So if someone is using Game A from your library, another person can't launch that same game from the same license at the same time, but they can launch something else. That's the setup and the essentials. Enjoy sharing, keep roles tidy, and have fun exploring your combined library. Thanks for watching.